Hello everyone, and in this video we got another Kuberg Ranger video, and in this video we were riding the trails and exploring a lot with AWS Drone, who helped me get some really epic drone shots. Enjoy!
That's new!
Oh.
Do you want to go up and see that?
Sure. We just don't have much light left, so...
Yeah.
Huh.
What? I have no idea. That looks deep. What? Here. If it's not too mucky, I can put the kickstand down. No chance. I think I can lay the bike on the ground. Wow.
To go down there, I don't know why. Jeez, that's crazy.
Yeah. What?
I wonder where it's going.
I do too. Well, he has like a pond over there, so maybe he's like making another pond?
I don't know why I'm tempted to go down there.
It's probably super mucky down there. That's cool. Wow. Yeah, so you see up that hill over there? So we got a little bit of biking to do, I guess.
Except you're not biking, you're just sitting.
Yeah, I'm just sitting. I'm just chilling.
So off we went, going to record some footage, and then, unfortunately enough, this happened.
Oh no!
That was like complete reflexes.
Yeah. Should you like put it over your head? Like,
That's actually a good idea.
So off we went, continuing our little trip, and then Aiden actually had to walk his bike up the hill because it was actually really steep.
here, I can show you a little bit. Okay, it's sandy, but kickstand can stay here. So, obviously I've ridden this a little bit before.
Did he like make this?
No, actually, it's not even his, it's his neighbor's.
Did his neighbor make it then?
Yeah, I think so.
What for?
I don't know, I think I saw quad tracks on it like a month ago.
Oh. Oh, so does it just go around like that?
Yeah,
And then it goes
And
down
there's
there
lines.
and comes back up this
yeah,
way?
and then you come around there, up there. It's kind of just like a big, I don't even know, like figure eight, I guess.
Yeah.
And at this point, the sun was setting, so we needed to get filming. And then the most unexpected thing happened. Two dogs came absolutely barreling at us, and I was pretty scared at this point. But then I recognized that it was just the two dogs of the people who own this property.
Rah. Did he actually just jump?
Well, I guess they're friendly.
Oh, did he just
They
jump?
actually, these dogs are actually neighbors. So I guess, oh, they're coming.
Who's that?
They're the neighbors. Hello!
Like the people that has the trail suit?
Yeah, I think. So yeah,
Alright, you wanna get started?
sure.
Sorry, I miscounted 3 dogs. This is Ben. And at this point, it was pretty much time to just get riding. And not gonna lie, I forgot how sandy exactly it was going to be. So at the beginning, my tire was slipping a lot. And I really just want to give a great honorable mention to AWS Drone, whom I got these drone shots from. They turned out absolutely fabulous, and I'm so thankful for AWS Drone for helping me out to make this video. So definitely, if you like drone stuff, go check out his channel. I'll link it in the description. And with that, enjoy the ride. That pretty much concludes it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. This took me so long to edit. Thank you so much again for watching. I hope you enjoyed and have a great day.